are to be praised and highly exalted forever. You are to be praised and highly exalted forever. Blessed are you, O Lord God of our ancestors, and to be praised and highly exalted forever. And blessed is your glorious holy name, and to be highly praised and highly exalted forever. You are to be praised and highly exalted forever. Blessed are you in the shrine of your holy glory, and to be extolled and highly glorified forever. Blessed are you who sits upon cherubim and looks upon the deeps, and to be praised and highly exalted forever. You are to be praised and highly exalted forever. Blessed are you upon the throne of your kingdom, and to be extolled and highly exalted forever. Blessed are you in the firmament of heaven, and to be sung and glorified forever. You are